Hundreds of university students have been told they must self-isolate following a suspected coronavirus outbreak in the halls of residence, which is home to students at Abertay University in Dundee. Contact tracers are attempting to identify anyone the infected student may have passed the virus on to, but until then all 500 residents of the private accommodation block must isolate, Daily Record reports. Professor Nigel Seaton, principal of Abertay University, said, "Our students in Parker House are being supported to self-isolate safely, and we will remain in regular daily contact with them." The university already has enhanced cleaning and safety measures in place on campus, in line with national guidance, and the campus will remain open. We have contacted students and staff to remind them of their personal responsibilities in relation to COVID safety, and to inform them of today's changes in Scottish Government guidance. Dr. Daniel Chandler, Associate Director of Public Health, added, "We know from outbreaks in other university settings across Scotland that the virus can spread very quickly in student accommodation. Therefore, as a precautionary measure, we are contacting all residents of Parker House and advising them to self-isolate immediately. Further investigation and contact tracing are continuing, and we will review this advice in the coming days. It is really important that any residents who develop symptoms book a test as soon as possible." Scotland has recorded 486 positive coronavirus cases in past 24 hours, the highest number ever recorded in a single day. Households in Scotland have been banned from mixing from today. Anyone in Scotland living alone will be able to form extended households, while couples not living together, those who need childcare and tradespeople will be exempt. The measures will be reviewed in 3 weeks. Announcing the new measures on Tuesday, Scotland's First Minister Nicole Sturgeon said, "The measures I am announcing are tough, I will not pretend otherwise, but they do not represent a full-scale lockdown of the kind imposed in March." Indeed, today's measures are an attempt to avoid another lockdown. But she said she was compelled to bring in tougher rules following advice from medical experts. Ms Sturgeon also said Scotland would follow the same rules on hospitality as England, with 10 p.m. closing times for pubs and other hospitality venues. The majority of new coronavirus cases in Scotland are in those under the age of 40, but a rise is now being seen in the older population. "It kills too many old and vulnerable people," Ms Sturgeon, "and for younger, healthier people, while the risks of dying from it are much lower, though not non-existent, it can still result in long-term, serious health problems